15 habits that if you do it every day, you will become successful than everyone else. You can't sit around waiting for success to happen. You have to make it come to you. Once you have fighted your bad habits, it's time to create some good habit that will catapult you into the road to success. But first, you must decide what success means to you. Is it more money or learning more skills, or it's a way of life? Then you can use the 15 secrets that I will give you to create good habits that will get you there. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all our news. 1. Fix goals. After you have decided what success means to you, you will need to create some reachable, measurable goals. It's not enough to say, I want to be in X job by next year. The universe won't pave the road for you. You have to decide what journey will take you to your destination, and that will be marked out in measurable goals that you can achieve and keep track of. Write down these goals, give yourself realistic achievement, keep yourself accountable for those goals, and decide how you are going to get there. Aside from committing your goals to paper to solidify them, telling yourself that you will achieve those goals and believing in your abilities will get you closer to them. 2. Develop a consistent wake-up routine. Mornings are powerful. There is a reason some of the most successful people in the world have committed morning routine that they never skip. It doesn't have to be getting up at 5 a.m. to make a protein-filled smoothie and going for an hour-long jog. It just means deciding how to best wake your body up to get ready for the day. The routine could be as small as committing to never hitting the snooze button again. It could incorporate a cup of warm lemon water or writing down your goals for the day. Whatever you decide, the key is to keep consistent. Make your morning routine something that you can make into a solid habit that you won't give up. 3. Take the power back from social media. You should delete time-sucking apps that are no value to you. Social media can be beneficial if used right. Don't allow yourself to be taken over by the aimless scrolling and be left wondering where the last 2 hours went. Clean out your news feeds and leave only the accounts that you find genuinely beneficial. The time it will take you to do this will be more than earned back. You should also re-examine your goals for success and decide how you could use social media to help further those goals. That could be anything from networking or promoting your work to educating yourself or upskilling. 4. Challenge yourself. There is always room for growth and personal development. Becoming successful and reaching new goals means moving forward, which means you should always be learning. Whether you are saying yes to bigger responsibilities at work, doing things that once scared you, or just taking you on a new challenge or learning a new skill, make one of your goals to push yourself. This doesn't mean doing more every day or working yourself into the ground. It means not staying safe and doing things that are easy now. You should always challenge yourself, and even if you choose something that isn't directly related to being successful in work, you will find that challenging yourself with something outside of your comfort zone in any aspect of your life will make you a more successful person. 5. Include exercise in your routine. Similar to your morning routine, you don't have to take up marathons to be successful. You are not trying to do something big once. You are trying to form habits that you can introduce into your life permanently. If you already have enough exercise in your routine, then you are halfway there. But if you think you could do more, something as small as 20-minute walk twice a week will make the world of difference. That level of exercise does wonders for your productivity, your mental health, and of course your physical health. Whether it's walking, running, weightlifting, or swimming, injecting a small level of exercise into your weekly routine will help you on the road to success. 6. Embrace failure. Failure might seem like a strange habit to include on the road to success, but the truth is failure is inevitable. You are going to make mistakes in life. You are going to fail at some things. You might even fail at forming some of these good habits. However, you must make a habit of embracing every failure, obstacle, and mistake as a learning opportunity. If you learn from every failure, think of how much you will be able to upskill without even taking up that new course. Choosing to embrace failure and see it as a positive thing is one of the most difficult good habits to form, but it is one of the most important ones to become successful. 7. Take control of your finances. It may seem obvious and you may be on top of your finances already, but we can all be guilty of bad spending from time to time. Even if you think it isn't necessary, building a habit around reviewing your monthly spending and deciding if there is a better way to distribute for next month is an effective thing to do. It's also one of the easiest goals to reward yourself with. If you commit to saving little extra money every month, you can treat yourself to something at the end of the year. Having a better handle on your own finances is a strong skill to have, and it's worth checking in regularly to make sure you don't fall off the spending wagon. 8. Work harder than your competition and those around you. While you can only control your own efforts in the pursuit of your goals, it is important to remember that each individual's success is also determined by those around them. While competing with others for a specific goal or prize, for example, you must do everything within your power and leave no stone unturned if you attain success. 9. Commit your goals to paper. 10. Surround yourself with positive and successful individuals. Having a diverse and mixed group of friends is all well and good, but it is imperative that individuals within your social circles share a similar outlook to work and professional success. If you have friends who have a tendency to draw focus and distract you from your work, for example, you may ultimately need to make a choice between pursuing success and settling for your existing lifestyle. If the idea of eliminating people from your life makes you feel uncomfortable, ask yourself if a true friend will risk your long-term happiness by actively preventing you from achieving your goals. 11. Take responsibility for your behavior. When you encounter problems and difficulties in life, don't play the role of victim. Acknowledge your role in the situation and take responsibility for your behavior. Accepting responsibility can help you learn from your mistakes and prevent you from blaming others unfairly. 12. Read every day. Learning is a continuous process. Read every piece of literature that will improve and enhance your knowledge. Read a chapter of a book every day. Technology has even made life easier, as you can now access almost any piece of literature online. To get smarter, you need to develop a reading habit. 13. Apply the knowledge that you get. It will make no sense for you to continually get knowledge that you will not apply. For instance, if you just read a new recipe on how to make pancakes, it will be of no use if you don't get into the kitchen and practically learn how to make pancakes. The bottom line is, if you take time to learn how to do something, then you need to go the extra mile and apply that information. If you don't, you just wasted your time reading or learning. 14. Feed your curiosity. When we were young, we used to be curious about almost everything around us. This has changed over time because we grow into adults, developed egos, and we think we are too old to be learning new things. Make an effort of asking questions and looking for answers to questions that you might have about anything that you don't understand. Being smart is a choice. To have the success of the 1%, you need to do what only 1% of the population will do. Develop a daily routine and have the discipline to adhere to it. Plan your day and use your time wisely. Invest in your mind. Train your mind always to think positively, and you will achieve positive results. For you to stand out, you need to be outstanding. Choose to be smart. 15. Try doing something that scares you. Someone once said that if it does not challenge you, it doesn't change you. Develop a smart habit that will make a difference over time. For instance, when I started out this channel, I was afraid that perhaps my videos was not good enough, but with consistency and practice, the positive comments of people and rating keep me going. Always remember that every master was on subject and every pro was on an amateur. Encourage yourself and take up the challenge. This is 15 secrets that will allow you to be a successful person and achieve your dreams. Resume of our video. 1. Fix goals. 2. Develop a consistent wake-up routine. 3. Take the power back from social media. 4. Challenge yourself. 5. Include exercise in your routine. 6. Embrace failure. 7. Take control of your finances. 8. Work harder than your competition and those around you. 9. Commit your goal to paper. 10. Surround yourself with positive and successful individuals. 11. Take responsibility for your behavior. 12. Read every day. 13. Apply the knowledge that you get. 14. Feed your curiosity. 15. Try doing something that scares you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all our news. If you learned something new today, then give the video a like and tell us in comments which step you like it more. And here's some others great videos I think you will enjoy. Just click on the left or on the right.